Hello and welcome to CTS's video series. In this video we're going to go over how to scroll and zoom on the chart. To scroll on the chart you can do it two ways. One, you can left click and hold anywhere within the chart window and drag your mouse to the right to view past data. Or you can hover your mouse over the time scale, left click and hold, and drag to scroll back. Note, as I was scrolling back, the chart stayed within the bounds of the chart. This is because of the auto scale prices, which is enabled here. When it is green, it is enabled. To disable it, simply left click on the A, and notice it is now white. It is now disabled. Now I can move the chart anywhere I want outside the bounds of the chart window. To enable this again, simply click the auto scale and it snaps it back to the way you had it before. You can also enable or disable this feature by going to the chart properties. You can go to the chart properties either by right-clicking anywhere within the chart window and selecting Properties. You can also go to the Chart Properties button located here. Under the General Chart, you will see Auto Scale Prices. I click the check mark to disable it, and now the auto scale is disabled. I check it again. It is now enabled. To go back to the current time and price of the chart, you can do it two ways. One, you can left click and hold on the chart and drag back, or you can click this button here, which is the scale reset button. I left click on it once and it snaps the chart back to the current time and price. To zoom on the chart, you can do this on the price axis and the time axis. We are going to start with the time axis. Hover your mouse over the time axis and notice the arrows are pointing right and left. If I right click and hold, the arrows now point towards each other. Continue to hold and drag your mouse to the left to zoom or to the right. You can do the same in the price axis. Hover your mouse over the price axis and notice the arrows are pointing up and pointing down. If you right click and hold, notice the arrows are now pointing towards each other. If you slide your mouse down or up, it allows you to zoom. Notice that when I did do the zooming of the price axis, the auto scale price is disabled. This is by default, so it allows you to easily take your chart outside the bounds while zooming. This concludes our video on scrolling and zooming the chart. You can access more videos or our user guide by going to our website www.ctsfutures.com.